Hello, good morning everyone. This is Zach Harris here from Financial Trading School Profits for Wealth. And guys, first of all, I wish you a very happy new year, and I hope you all had a great Christmas. And this year is going to be phenomenal. It's going to be extraordinary because we're going to make tons of profit from cryptocurrency as well as financial trading. So guys, today I want to talk to you about cryptocurrency, one of the coin that can potentially replace Bitcoin, and its trading value is fairly low at the moment. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to jump right in and show you which coin I'm talking about. Okay guys, so the coin I'm talking about is Litecoin, which is on coinmarketcap.com is trading at a number 6 position. Overall market cap is 13 billion, quite a huge market cap. Price at the moment right now as we speak is 247. Our 24 hours volume is over 1 billion. And as well as our circulating supply is 54 million, okay, Litecoins. But what is the maximum supply? That's what I'm more interested in. So the max supply is 84 million. So still have good few coins to go, and that's one of the main reasons by the time they will hit maximum supply. And I reckon their actually price will get up to $1,000. okay, now before I do that, also I want to tell you about something that this is the reasons, two reasons that I actually love Litecoin is this coin will be used as a regular currency rather than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin transactions takes actually a lot longer than Litecoin. First of all, Bitcoin transaction can take up to half an hour to 40 minutes, especially lately in last month to 2 months. People are having a lot of trouble. I'm not saying that Bitcoin is a bad currency. It is the godfather of cryptocurrency. Like, it was the first ever currency, but it is more so, it's like a gold of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a gold that you could hold and will restore your value, but you cannot use Bitcoin on day-to-day usage. However, Ethereum is pretty good replacement, but I think Litecoin transaction takes literally in a matter of a few seconds, and it will replace Ethereum and Bitcoin. So if anything can actually replace Bitcoin, it would be a Litecoin. So this is my reason. I love Litecoin at the moment. I believe this is very low price. As you can see here, their circulation is 96 million at the moment. Ethereum, I want to see what's the maximum circulation of maximum supply is 96, and maximum supply of Litecoin is 84 million. As you can see, there's a less supply. Because there's a less supply, there will automatically be a more demand than Ethereum. I believe that. And let's go jump into the trading view, and I will do some technical analysis and see what is the potential in coming month to 2 months time for Litecoin. So guys, I'm on trading view now, and I am going to go and search for Litecoin versus dollar. Okay, I'm gonna open an interactive chart to show you exactly what I think. So guys, we are looking at, don't mind the 1 hour chart, I'm gonna go over to 1 day chart. As you can see here guys, fantastic bull run Litecoin had. Like, it was trading in around, by the time we have this chart available from Bitstamp. This is Bitstamp is the exchange, but I'm watching this chart on tradingview.com. Like, lowest point was roughly about $30 at the at base like mid last year, which we're talking about in June. And since $30, it was trading, it was consolidating in between these 2 points, as you can see here, and then it's broken through that point in around $100 mark, and then it basically broken through in around $75 to $100 mark, and then now it's trading, literally went up to 300%, 350% gain in a matter of a couple of weeks. So it all started happening from the 8th of the 12th, which means the 8th of December 2017, and since then it rose back up. Did we have any correction? The only time I would say that we had a correction is from the 19th of the 12th, and we had a good bit of correction there. And I think the price from overall, from the all-time high price hit, I think 375, and now it's trading at 244. Having said that, I still think that there's a lot of potential there, and I'm gonna forecast this. Even if you buy it now from the all-time high, see what sort of return we're talking about. So I'm gonna go full screen. So still it's actually a 56% gap from all-time high at the price of, we're talking about 360. If we go a little bit higher, roughly about 60%, yes, about 60% gap from the time if you were to trade now. Like it's still like will it hit all-time high? Yes, definitely. I believe that once it will actually get another bull run, that which I believe it's going to happen by mid to end of this month. It will break through this point, and the next time it will settle would be in around 450 to 500, I believe. So in around actually 500, it could hit up to 600 before it will give a little slight price correction. Like amazing asset to actually hold and reap the benefits. And I believe that if you were to hold Litecoin all this year, let's say even in 8 to 10 months time, this is at the moment it's trading $244, but I believe it will actually reach $1,000 easily, you know, this year. And if it does do, we'll all be making roughly about 300 to 400% profit. People who got involved in this, I got involved at the price of roughly about $88, $89. So I'm up, and I'm actually holding on to my coins, and I'm not gonna sell them till they reach its limit. As you can see that at the moment, they give us a price correction, it's rising back up. If I were to change it into 1 hour chart just to see the inside, what's happening inside of the chart, let me just reset the chart. There you go. Okay, so you can see we had a really downward trend from here to there. Let me just draw a line there. So it will if I were to draw a trend line there, there you go. We had a trend line there. The prices start rising at this point. As you can see here, and then it was consolidating, broke through that trend line, and look at this line. How perfect is that? We had a breakout here on the 31st of December. It broke out at the price of 200, and the closing price was 219 here, and then highest by 235. Yeah, 200 closing price was 232, and that was broken. As you can see here, it was overall downward trend. That actually breakout, we saw the breakout on the downward trend, and since then it actually made its way up. It's a very small like price correction, but I reckon it will bounce back up. It's definitely not gonna go below 220 or even 210. It will bounce back up from there, and it will rise back up. And I think the next stoppage would be maybe all-time high within the next week to 2 weeks. And then once it's break through the previous resistance, means the price barrier we have on 375 all-time high, and it will break through that price point and and I think it will hit up to 600, 550, 600. As you can see here, 151% profit, and I think it will happen in the next 2 to 3 months. That's fantastic. The more higher we're going, the much better return we're getting. As you can see, this is my prediction for $1,000 Okay, and if anyone to get involved right now, they would have cashed in, made clear profit of 324%. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Even I've been trading the markets for over 14 years. I believe not even equities or any other markets will give you that sort of returns that you buy and hold on to it and cash it. Now again, it's not my financial advice, and it is just my opinion based on my technical analysis. I believe that can happen, and again, you don't have to get involved just because I'm doing it. Do it at your own risk, and that's all I want to say. But I believe it is a fantastic opportunity, great coin. This is something can replace Bitcoin. So thanks very much for watching this clip. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye.